Good day. In this video, we are going to try and solve question 1C of the 2023 NCEA Level 2 Calculus paper titled Apply Calculus Method in Solving Problem. This is an excellent question, and without further ado, let's try to solve this problem. So the question sounds like this, okay? Okay, the question is, read carefully, use calculus. Remember, you must use calculus to find the values of x for which the graph of the function fx equal to x4 over 4 minus 2x cubed over 3 minus 12x squared plus 10 is increasing. Okay, so before we do this, okay, so we need to plot, find the, because it's increasing, we need to find the gradient. The gradient is the derivative. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to find the f1x, you differentiate it. So it's going to be 4 coming down to become 4x cubed over 4 because 4 comes down. And then the next one, 3 comes down, become 3 times 2 is going to be 6x squared over 3 minus 24x, and the constant will be nothing. Okay, because anything differentiate the constant is going to be a 0. Okay, to simplify that, it's going to be 4 divided by 4 is 1, so it will be x cubed minus 2x squared minus 24, and that's the gradient function of that equation. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this. Okay, 24x, so this x squared, so it will be 24x. Okay, so now we're going to factorize this to find the value of x. So x is a common factor, so x squared minus 2x minus 24. Okay, and then if you factorize this, so x and x, okay, minus 6 and plus 4, and then it becomes minus 6x plus 4x, and then you add them up, it's minus 2x, and then what you get in the middle, so the answer is going to be x minus 6, x plus 4. Okay, so for turning points, okay, the gradient function or the f1x equal to 0, so that equal to 0, so 0 equals to x minus 6, x plus 4. So you solve this, so x equals to 0, x equals to minus 4, or x equals to 6. Okay, so now we need to find for each of these functions whether it is increasing or decreasing by doing the second derivative. So f2x, okay, f2x is going to be the second derivative of this. Okay, so it becomes 3x squared, bring down the 3x squared minus 4x minus 24. Okay, so that is the second derivative. The point of second derivative to find whether it's a minimum or maximum point. So we are going to find f(0) first. 0 because the x is 0 is going to be 3 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 24, and the answer is minus 24. So that's the maximum point. Okay, when x is 0 is the maximum point. Okay, and then we do the same thing for minus 4. f2 minus 4 is going to be 3 minus 4 squared minus 4 minus 4. Okay, substitute them. Okay, and then minus 24. Put in your calculator. I've done it before. Minus 4, the answer is going to be 40. So it's a positive number, so it's a minimum point. Okay, and last but not least, we're doing the f equal to 6. 6 will be 3, 6 squared minus 4 times 6 minus 24. Put in your calculator, and I found the answer to be equal to 60. And again, this is the minimum point. Okay, so once you have the minimum maximum point, you can sketch a graph. Okay, so 0 is going to be a maximum point, it's going to be up there. Minus 4 is somewhere here, it's going to be a minimum point, so it's going to be like that. Okay, and then 6 is also going to be a minimum point, it's going to be somewhere like that. We just sketch it, so we're going to join the graph, and the graph is going to look something like that. Okay, so they ask you where is the point where it is function where it is increasing. When it is increasing, means the gradient is more than 0, so it's going to be a positive. So it's going to be minus 4 here, 6 here. So between here, minus 4 to 0. So x is between minus 4 to 0, or the other part is from here onwards is increasing more than 6. So if you can answer that, that's excellent in this question, and I'll see you in the next one which is question 1D of this paper. Cheers everyone, have a great day.